Divinamente Marco here and bringing a video, and today we're going to be talking about how to legally cash out your crypto tax-free in 2025, and we're going to be talking about 10 different crypto tax havens that if you live in the US or somewhere around the world, you could definitely check all these places out. Full disclosure, I'm not a crypto tax advisor, I'm not a crypto lawyer, I'm not a tax lawyer, nor anything like that. These are just some tweets I found that I found really interesting. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy, and you please, if you are going to do this, please reach out to some of the different tax advisors in your own city, in your country, wherever it may be. I will mention though, geo.tax, he is one of the co-writers of this great guidebook. It's called the L2 Explain. It's a guidebook that basically helps you to your move to Puerto Rico. So definitely check them out, geo.tax. Anyways, this exempts new residents from capital gains taxes, providing a 0% tax rate on earnings from stocks, crypto, and real estate appreciation. Let's just go over kind of the requirements of what you need to do. So obviously you must be an individual resident. You have to be a bona fide resident of Puerto Rico, meaning you have to live there, I think 183 days out of the year. So like half the year basically. Applicants must have not lived in the island between 2006 and 2014, must purchase a property within the first 2 years receiving the decree, and you have to make individual donations of at least $10,000 to 2 qualified charities, and must submit an annual report together an additional $5,000 in payment. So yeah, pretty great. You can see here the benefits that you receive as well. So yeah, definitely check it out. Puerto Rico is a beautiful island. I love it. And yeah, great place to be, especially if you're an American. You don't need to renounce your passport, right? You can keep your US passport if you want. not saying to get rid of it. I'm just saying it. I think it's easier. All of these other countries or places are around the world, and Puerto Rico is like a 2-3 hour flight from Florida. So yeah. Anyways, the first one is Singapore, and Singapore is really rich. So really don't need your money, and I think it's one of the most expensive places to move. Like in general of all these places. So what do you receive? No tax when you cash out on crypto profits, government licensed exchanges and OTCs, easy links between bank accounts and crypto. You can even buy property in USDT or USDC, clear rules plus tight coverage, and the move there. So you invest $2.5 million, I think that's in US, through the Global Investors Program. So yeah, definitely check it out. I've never been there. I've never been to any of these countries. My mom and dad have been there though, and they say it's really amazing and really beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna take their word for it. Anyways, Montenegro. So it's Europe's hidden option. So property can legally be purchased with crypto exchanged to euros at closing. Owning that property gets you a residency and a flat 9% income tax. Citizenship by investments likely coming back soon. So it looks like their citizenship by investments are not there yet, or they left and they're probably going to come back sometime soon. So keep an eye out for that. The next one is Georgia. So acquire refugee for builders. Individuals pay 0% tax on crypto gains, residency possible in about a month with a US 100,000 investment. Strict privacy, no public wealth list, active OTC market in Tbilisi, and double tax treaties with many countries. And Georgia looks really nice. A mountain, a city right here in the mountains. So that's beautiful. Next, we're going to be talking about El Salvador. So it's still the Bitcoin headquarters, obviously the first country to make Bitcoin legal tender. No capital gains tax on crypto. You can use Bitcoin for big buys like houses or even citizenship fees. Donate US 1 million in Bitcoin and become a citizen in under 2 months. So right, you need a lot of money. I'm not saying anyone can do this, but definitely, if you have a lot of money, something to consider. They also have volcano bonds back in the market for reinvestment of profits and a higher risk, high reward vibe. And from what I heard, really beautiful too. Next is Thailand. Personal crypto gains are tax-free if you hold or spend them abroad. Big OTC and peer-to-peer volume in 2025. Bangkok and Chiang Mai packed with digital nomads. Elite visa about $20K for 5 years of legal stay. So not that expensive compared to the other ones, right? $20K for 5 years of legal stay is pretty amazing. Next one is Bermuda offshore accuracy, zero tax on income, capital gains, or crypto. 2025 laws set let local banks handle large crypto sales. Citizenship with a US of $2.5 million investment favored for family offices and funds. So again, $2.5 million in investment. You need a lot of money to pay, right? You need a lot of money. That's what I'm seeing. So next is Andorra, privacy next to the EU. No crypto capital gains tax, no wealth tax, low sales tax, VAT, residency via 40K property buy or a 50K bond. 2025 rules label crypto as personal best asset, no income. Malta is still the blockchain island, so hold your crypto a year and sell it tax-free. Clear EU legal legislation for crypto companies. You can pay for property or citizenship program with crypto, and citizenship residency costs roughly $738,000. Wow. But I also heard Malta is really, really amazing. And Vanuatu. I've never heard where Vanuatu is. Let me check where this is. Yeah, so it's in Oceania. Let me see images. I've never seen this in my life. Yeah. Okay. Looks like it's an island. So, no income or capital gains taxes, citizenship in about 2 months for a US 130,000 donation, so not that much. 2025, you can pay that donation in crypto and not part of global bank accounts reporting, no CRS. And then, yeah, I think that's it pretty much. Let me know what you think about the video. Please share it if you're looking for someone or someone is asking you where to go for any crypto tax havens. Also, please, when you decide to move to these countries have different residents, and, please be mindful of their culture. Everything you do, I know, firsthand, I've seen it. A lot of people that move to Puerto Rico think that they can do whatever they want, and that is not the case. You have to be respectful whenever you move to these countries. So, and abide by the rules, obviously. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.